This is the slant shank adapter. You see how it's slightly slanted here, and this allows you to clip on all sorts of different presser feet very quickly. If you have a foot that needs to be screwed on instead of snapped on, the screw attachment here unscrews easily, and you can screw on any other screw foot. Looks like with absolutely nothing on it but the needle in place. This is the general purpose needle plate and presser foot. They're on your machine when delivered, used together for alternating between straight and zigzag stitching. You can easily change to any of the other presser foot, which snap into a common shank by following the directions. Raise the needle to the highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Raise the presser foot using presser foot lifter at the back of the machine. Push the toe of the presser foot up until it snaps off the shank. Remove the foot from the machine. Move the foot under the center of shank. Lower the presser foot lifter, lifting the shank over the presser foot pin that's in the middle of the foot. Don't turn the screw. Instead, push the presser foot screw down firmly until the foot snaps into place. Quick, easy, instant changing. You can switch between feet for all sorts of fun sewing applications.